I've walked through fire, I've drowned in rain, but every scar became my chain of strength.
They thought I'd fail, they thought I'd fall, but I found my wings when I lost it all.
I am the storm they couldn't tame, the echo of hope, the endless flame, unbreakable soul, I rise again, from ashes to light, I live again.
Every pain, every tear, it made me whole.
Now I breathe fire, born of my